Yo, mic check. Mic check 1, 2, 3. So everything good? Everything good? Yep. Let's record. Start recording, I know. Let's. So today's trades, we got very good. We got 3 trades today, and so the sound is good. So we got 3 trades today. 2 on UZ and 1 on UC. Yep. Let me break down 2 trades on UZ. So, but even if it was 3 trades, we closed the day today as a break even because we got 1 SL hit and we got 1 TP hit, but the other one I closed. I will explain the reasons. So the first trade, let's go back to this time, okay? So this trade was at around 7 a.m, like 7:15 a.m. So of course of course it happened that I woke up at this time, so and there was a trade opportunity, so I need to grab it. When I wake up at 7 a.m, man, I have to hit TP, and that's what I did. The trade was right here. Why did I enter this trade? The reason I entered this trade is, of course, you can see there is a bearish momentum going on. Sorry, my bad. There is a bearish momentum, right? And 7:15 a.m. is like right when the Asian session is about to end and the London is about to start in Germany, right? So not yet, like in 1.5 hours the London will start. So I was expecting market to have some volume at that time, and I saw this candle, this shadow candle formation right here, which gave me a window to enter for sell. And yeah, of course there's a bearish price action going on, and of course there is like some sort of area you can see right here, right? There is an area, but even though there is an area, I entered this trade because I was too confident in the price action that this trade is gonna play out like it did. But the reason I ignored this distant area is because you gotta choose what distant areas you're gonna mark up, because you cannot like mark up distant areas everywhere in the charts and never take trades. That should never happen. You should only mark up the most important distant areas, and the other areas you just trade accordingly. Like, if it's like if you feel like it's a risky trade, then don't trade. If you feel like it's not a risky trade, but from my experience, I thought it was not a risky trade because this distant area was not that strong like I thought it would be. This area was not that strong, and I knew it was not that strong because you can see market was rejecting the whole time. Market was rejecting this area, right? And this is a strong area. You can see this is strong because you can see there is a big rejection, right? Market came up, rejected, big dump, came up, rejected, big dump, came up, rejected, big dump, right? Market rejected here, came up, big dump, came like rejected again, came up, big dump, right? So this area was not that strong like this area. So if the market was on this area, like on this area, I would not have entered this trade. But the trade was on this area, right? So too many charts, too many drawings. But to explain in like easy way, this distance area was not that strong, so I just entered the trade because I knew it was not that strong. So enter the trade. Did not enter the trade. Actually, put sell limit right above this candle, which got tapped like on the second candle, on third candle, and yeah, this at this time I was sleeping, so I did not see the drawdown. If I saw the drawdown, it will be like, damn, what the fuck. But I did not see the drawdown, so it was all good because market came at the end back to our TP. Nearly tapped me out, but did not tap me out. I could have even hold this trade, man. It was off. It was almost 1:3, but of course we stick to the rules and we do 1:1. So this is the first trade which I had TP hit, and the second trade on USE, the same thing, right? There's a good momentum of bearish going on, bearish price action right here, and as you can see, bearish price action. We have a shadow candle formation right here. I don't see any strong resistance areas around this area. There are no strong resistance areas, so that's good. And I entered this trade. I was in a drawdown at this time, but it was all good. But I totally forgot that there was a CPI news at 14:30. So on 14:30, at 14:30 there was a CPI news on USD, and I don't hold trades during news, so of course I had to close this. Of course I had to close this trade. So yeah, I closed it like half an hour. Like I closed right here, man. Like I closed it on this candle, blue candle, right? I closed right here, and the next candle was TP, but did less profit, like 10 euro profit. That's all. That's it. And I'm gonna show it to you guys. Of course I'm gonna show it to you guys. I will maybe put screenshot, but if I don't put a screenshot because I'm too lazy. These are the trades. You see the USE, yeah, so you see the user trades. These are the trades, and of course the big red minus between those blue profits was today's trade on UC, which also is a very very shitty trade. Not shitty trade, but I don't like this kind of trades which just taps me out and goes to my bias. So right here, same as USE, got the trade at the same time like USE, put the trade. I saw this opportunity at 7:15 a.m. and yeah, of course I see this price action was bearish at that time, and plus you can see there's a huge imbalance right here. You see this imbalance, man? And I already explained what imbalance is. Imbalance is like crazy moves in the market, like that happens sometimes. For example, market always moves like up and down, like in a balance, right? But sometimes market moves aggressively to one direction, and that's what we call imbalance. It's the imbalance creation is mostly during the news, but other times also different things cause imbalance, so there was an imbalance right here, right? There was an imbalance. My bad, sorry. There was an imbalance right here, and market was making bearish price action, and I was thinking like market will target this imbalance, right? So that's why I put the trade. And because normally market, if there is a big push in the market, like if there is big imbalance, market has to come down and balance it. So everything in the market works in a balance, so there will be like every reaction has an equal and opposite reaction, right? That like Newton's third law. That's the same like market also moves in a balance. So whenever there is imbalance, market tries to balance it. So that's why that's what I was expecting, for the market to target this imbalance. But it did target the imbalance, but later it did not at that time. So yeah, it just tapped me out on my SL. My SL was a little bit here. to have been a TP, but of course it's not. It tapped me out, it went down. It is what it is, it's a part of the game. So yeah, man, these are the two trades that I took today. And the day was a break-even day, so not every day is a TP day, you know. Some days are break-even days too. So yeah, that's it. Stop recording. Just a moment, guys. So that's it for today, actually, because I have to go somewhere. You know, today is semi-final match between France and Spain, so that's it for me today. Quick trade recap. See you guys tomorrow. Hope you have a good day tomorrow. And yeah, peace out, guys. See you guys tomorrow.